What's up YouTube? It's Eli and I'm back again with another video. And today for you guys, or I should say tonight, I'm gonna be just doing a little vamp session. For those of you who don't know, a vamp session is just like a night brush session. It's just a brush session you get at night, and the whole purpose of a vamp session is progress. You wanna take your time, don't fast. You fast brush, you wanna slow brush, take your time, because every stroke counts. You wanna make sure you're hitting those angles correctly. You wanna brush, you wanna work on your crown, you wanna just do everything. So before you do that though, you wanna just apply a daily moisturizer, you know, just any moisturizer that you use. I'm gonna be using As I Am. You just wanna apply a moisturizer and go on a lengthy session. That's basically just it. For this vamp session, what you're gonna need is a daily moisturizer. It's just something that you use on a daily. I'm using As I Am Double Buttercream. It's a good moisturizer. You're gonna need 3 brushes. It's optional, but I like to go on an hour brush session at night. So I'm gonna use this brush, which is a medium, but it's like a firm medium. Then this is a medium, a true medium. It's a little softer than this. And then my softest brush. You're gonna need a mirror because you can't blind brush, of course. You need a crown brush. You're gonna need a plastic bag or the lay down G if you have. And of course, lastly, you'll need a silky. You can cop these DURAGS from swagrag.com. I'll leave the coupon code in the description and also leave it on the screen. I got a lot of more content coming, a lot of more fire content coming. I got a lot of videos on the way. In these next few weeks, I'm gonna be dropping consistently right after the other. So you guys, you know, really wanna stay tuned. I got a lot of video coming. So without further ado, let me just unrag and show you guys how I'm looking, and then we're gonna get into this vamp session. little quick tip when you're doing your little vamp sessions at night. You want to make sure you spend a little bit more time on your weak side than you do on any other side. For example, my right side is my weak side, so I'm gonna spend more time on my right side than all my other sides. But I'm still gonna get a good session in on all sides, but I'm just gonna spend a little bit more time on my right side than any other side. So that's just a little quick tip. that is the end of the video. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. If you like this do-rag or any other do-rag you see me use in my video, you get that from swagrag.com. Link in my bio, link in the description, and along with my coupon code for 50% off. Alright, you guys, that was just my little vamp session. So I like to do at night, focus on my pattern. That's where I get the most progress, is when I brush at night. Cause that's when I get the bathroom to myself. I get a lot of free time. And you know, it's just quiet. I could play my music if I want and just get a nice session. Put a nice little moisturizer or oil, or both if you want, and just get a nice session. Focus on your waves, your pattern, focus on your crown, just focus on your weak sides, focus on everything. So that's what I like to do in my vamp sessions. And as I said before, and I will be doing a giveaway at 1K subscribers. We're almost there, we're almost at the goal, so keep subscribing, you guys. I got a lot of content on the way coming up in these next few weeks. So you guys could turn your post notifications on, and as always, you guys stay wavy.